Hello students, today we will discuss about some applications of Ampere's circuital law. First application is magnetic field due to a long straight conductor. For this, consider a long straight conductor XY carrying current I. Draw a circle of radius R around the current carrying conductor. Let P is the point which lies at a distance r from the center of the circle and at which we have to calculate the magnetic field due to current I passing through the conductor. Let PQ equals to dl is the element on the circle. Then according to Ampere's circuital law, closed integral of B dot dl equals to mu naught I. From the diagram it is clear that the direction of B and dl will be same, so the angle between B and dl will be 0 degree. So closed integral of B dl cos 0 degree equals to mu naught I. We know that cos 0 equals to 1, so B closed integral of dl equals to mu naught into I. We know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, so B into 2 pi r equals to mu naught I implies that B equals to mu naught I upon 2 pi r, which is the required expression for magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current. Next application is magnetic field due to a long straight solenoid. You know that a solenoid is a tightly wound helical loop from an insulated wire such that its length is large as compared to its diameter. Consider a solenoid having n number of turns per unit length. N is number of turns per unit length. When current I flows through the solenoid, magnetic field will produced. The lines of magnetic force is as shown in the diagram. And you also know that the magnetic field due to a solenoid is similar to the magnetic field due to a magnetic dipole. And inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is uniform and parallel to its length. Let V is the magnetic field inside the solenoid. To calculate the value of magnetic field V, we have to consider a closed path ABCD, which is a rectangular closed path. So consider rectangular closed path ABCD and length AB equals to L. AB equals to L. Now to calculate the value of V, we have to apply Ampere's circuital law. So according to Ampere's circuital law, integration over the closed path ABCD B dot dl equals to mu naught times the total current threading through the solenoid. I already told n is number of turns per unit length, so total number of turns equals to n into L. Since I current threads here, so total current inside the rectangular loop ABCD equals to NL into I. Now we will put the value of total current in this equation. Remember the total current is NL into I. So integration V dot dl along the closed path ABCD equals to mu naught NL into I. Now we will calculate the closed integral like this. ABCD B dot dl equals to integration from A to B dot dl plus integration from B to C, B dot dl, integration from B to C, plus integration from C to D, B dot dl, plus integration from D to A, V dot dl. Equals to mu naught NLI. Now look at the diagram. The arm BC and AD are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. So B dot dl equals to B dl cos 90 degree equals to 0. So the term B dot dl from B to C and B dot dl from A to D will be 0. Again remember that practically the magnetic field outside the solenoid whose length is very greater than its diameter is 0. So practically the magnetic field will be 0 along the path CD. So that integration will also 0. So integration from C to D B dot dl will be 0. Now close integral of B dot dl along ABCD equals to integration from A to B, B dot dl. Other three terms were 0. So B is constant. This equals to integration from A to B, B dl cos 0 degree equals to B integration from A to B dl. We know that integration of dl is L. So this will be equals to B into L. Now applying Ampere's circuital law, B into L equals to mu naught N L into I. So L will be cancelled. B equals to mu naught N I, which is the required expression for magnetic field due to a solenoid. Next application is magnetic field due to a toroid. Consider a toroid of anchor ring of radius r. Let I is the current threading through the toroid. So again we will apply Ampere's circuital law. Integration of B dot dl equals to mu naught times total current threading through the toroid. Here let n is the number of turns per unit length. So total length equals to 2 pi r. Total number of turns will be 2 pi r into n. Total current will be 2 pi r n into I. So B dot dl, close integral B dot dl equals to mu naught 2 pi r n into I. Now this integration will be B dl cos 0 degree. So integration of dl, B will constant taken outside, equals to mu naught 2 pi r n I. This will be also 2 pi r. So B into 2 pi r equals to mu naught 2 pi r n into I. So B equals to 2 pi r will be cancelled, mu naught n I, which is the required expression for magnetic field due to a toroid. The formula is similar to magnetic field due to a solenoid. Thank you.